Hey guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing dead bugs. This is one of my favorite core exercises. We're going to be lying flat on our backs with our arms and legs in the air. Not lazily, engaged. I like to flex my feet when I'm in this position as well. We are going to bring our right leg and our left arm down towards the floor, making sure that we're keeping the small of our back flat on the ground. Come back up so our hands and feet meet, and then go opposite sides. And when we slow this down, we can really think about engaging through our core. As the foot goes down, let it hover just slightly above the floor, as long as you can keep your low back flat, and then come back up. So for more core building exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.